how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it yourself. So here I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So open Google Maps in your browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States. So here let's type the United States, because that's the market we are going to target in today's video, and wait for it to load. And here zoom in on the states, and let's choose a city in here or a state that we are going to concentrate on. So for example, let's choose Tennessee. For example, let's go to Tennessee and let's choose a city in here. We can choose Asheville, for example. So here let's choose Asheville and let's zoom in on here. Here let's zoom in, and you can go to the search again and type whatever kind of small business you'd like to search for. But before that, I'm going to talk first about the three main services that we are going to offer the small business owners. So the first service is the website creation or the website renovation. If they already have a website and it's old, we are going to offer to renew their website, and if they do not have one, we are going to offer to create one for them. And the second service is the bad reviews removing, so we are going to offer to remove bad reviews for them. And the third service is the social media accounts managing, so we are going to offer as well to manage their social media accounts or even run advertisement campaigns for them. So here let's search, and let's start by searching for a small business or a kind of a business, for example gyms. So let's see all of the available gyms in this area. Let's wait for it to load, and here you can see that there are a lot of gyms in this area here. So here you can see that there are a lot of gyms in this area, and here I'm going to show you how you can find the best. Let's remove this one. I'm going to show you how you can recognize the profiles with the highest rate of purchasing our service, or with the highest rate of paying us to deliver them those services. So always make sure to check the profile first and pay attention to a sponsored that would be written in this place. So make sure to avoid the ones with sponsored written in here, and also make sure to avoid the ones with more than 150 reviews like this one. So let's move on to find another one with less than 150 reviews. So here we have Anytime Fitness, which is a brand gym. So this Anytime Fitness, they have a lot of gyms everywhere in the United States, so we are going to avoid these ones as well. So let's move on to the other profile, which is the Underground Fitness Asheville. So here they have 54 reviews, so this is the perfect prospect for us. So let's check their profile to see if we can offer them our services. So here by scrolling down, you can be able to see their website. So let's check their website to see if it's up to date or not. So here it looks like a good website: strength focused, interval based, community driven. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see that their website is made with Squarespace, even though it's not the best website that they can have, but also in the same time it's not a worst website. So we will not be offering them the website renovation, but we can check their Instagram and their Facebook account as well to see if we can offer them the social media management of their profiles. So here let's wait for them to load. Underground Fitness Asheville, and here let's see if they have a theme or a specific color for their brand. And here by scrolling down you will see that they only have some random posts, nothing too fancy. So this is a regular gym platform, gym account or gym profile. So they can do more than that. We can offer them the service of managing their Instagram account for sure. And here for the Facebook account as well, let's check it here. Thank you for life. Their last post is in August 2022, which means they are not paying too much attention to their social media accounts. So that's an opportunity for us. We can offer them to take care of their social media. So that's the first service we are going to offer them. So here let's skip their Instagram in order to send them a message in there. Let's check their last post in here. It's from 3 hours ago, and the one before this is from April 10. That means they are not paying too much attention to their social media. So that's an opportunity for us. So that's the first service we can offer them. And by scrolling down, and don't worry guys, as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill. You'll just need to get the client to pay you from $100 to $200 to deliver those services, and then you can just go to Fiverr.com, which is a platform where you can hire freelancers to deliver those services to the business owners instead of you doing it yourself. So for example, if this client pays us $100 or $200 to manage their social media accounts for a month, for example, we are going to come to this place, go to the search and type social media management, social media manager, and wait for it to load to see all of the freelancers that can do or perform these skills and how much they are getting paid per month. So here we have this one, a social media manager and a content creator for these platforms, and you will only pay her $40 to do that. And here we have other ones from $40 to $200, but you can find the ones that, or you can hire the one that you are perfect with. For example, this one with $40, and you can take the rest of the money to your pocket. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.